This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a SoFi account step by step. To begin, simply visit the SoFi website or download their convenient mobile application. You will then select the specific type of account you wish to open, perhaps a checking, savings, or even an investing account. Next, you will provide some essential personal details, such as your full name and your date of birth, to get started on your financial journey with SoFi. Continuing with the setup, you will need to enter your contact information, including your preferred email address and a valid phone number. It is crucial to create a strong, unique password to ensure the security of your new SoFi account. To verify your identity, you will be asked to provide your social security number. This step is essential for SoFi to comply with federal regulations and to protect your financial information from unauthorized access, ensuring a safe banking experience. Once your personal details are confirmed, it is time to fund your new SoFi account. You can easily link an external bank account to transfer funds seamlessly. Another convenient option is to set up direct deposit for your paychecks, sending them directly to your SoFi account. We recommend transferring a minimum of $10 to fully activate your account and begin enjoying all the benefits. There are several funding options available to suit your individual financial preferences. As you near completion, take a moment to carefully review all the information you have entered to ensure its accuracy. This is a critical step to prevent any future issues. Next, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of the SoFi service. Once these steps are complete, your SoFi account will be fully activated and ready for you to use. Congratulations, you are now prepared to manage your finances efficiently with SoFi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.